welcome to our class 6. The project name is Fun with Science Toys. Science toys are designed in a way that requires children to enjoy and play with peers. As a result, children learn to communicate with people their age and develop empathy. Science toys can improve both cognitive and motor skills in children. Children can practice essential skills such as concentration, observation, and problem solving. These skills are vital in building a foundation for specific learning. Please have the glance of the
Namaste, my name is Deepti.
Namaste, my name is Roja.
Namaste, my name is Gaurav.
Our project name is Atmospheric Pressure Powered Car. The materials needed are tape, scissor, hot glue gun, chassis materials, lightweight materials such as cardboard, plastic or thermocol, small wheels, syringe 20 milliliter recommended.
Working principle. Air intake. When you pull back the plunger of the syringe, you create a low pressure area inside the syringe by drawing in air. Air storage. The syringe now contains a volume of air at atmospheric pressure.
Creating thrust, rapid release, quickly pushing the plunger back in forces the air out from plunger from high speed. Thrust generation, the explosion of air generates a backward force according to Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This backward force pushes the car forward.
The fast-moving air injecting the syringe nozzle pusher against the surrounding air, propelling the car in the opposite direction.
Now we will show how it works.
Namaste, my name is Ritik and my project name is Social Science Map Project. The material used: map, cardboard, screw, light, buzzers and battery. Working principle. The working principle behind this model was basic electrical circuits and signal indications. Namaste, my name is Ritik and my project name is Social Science Map Project. The material used are map, cardboard, screw, wire, light, battery, buzzers. Working principle. The working principle behind this model was basic electrical circuits and signal indications. Electrical circuits. LEDs and buzzers operate one direct current DC supplied by the battery pack. An electrical circuit must be completed to current flow and power the component. Resistors are used to limit the LEDs and prevent damage. Signal indications. LEDs are used to locate specific location or data points on the map. Thank you. Now we will see how it works. When we keep a pen on an state and on its capital, the buzzer will buzz. Namaste, my name is Priya.
Namaste, my name is Sunny. Namaste, my name is Devansh.
Our project name is balloon powered car. Materials needed are glue, scissors, lightweight chassis such as cardboard, thermocol, balloon, and flexible straw. Working principle. The working principle of the balloon car is based on Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here's a detailed explanation.
Working steps. Air storage. Inflated the balloon, storing potential energy in the form of compressed gas. Thrust creation. When the balloon is released, the compressed gas rushes out through the straw. Propulsion. The escaping air pushes against the surrounding air, creating a fluid thrust. Now we will see how it works. Namaste, my name is Vishnu. Our project name is Paper Cup Helicopter. Material needed are paper cup, rubber band, and propeller. Working principle. The working principle behind this model: potential energy is used by winding the propeller. When flown rubber band rapidly releases its energy kinetic by unwinding both the propeller and the paper cutout pushes against the surrounding air resistance or drag, which creates horizontal air resistance or drag. Thank you.
Principal.
Let us show how it works.
Namaste, my name is Sarah.
Namaste, my name is Ayan.
Namaste, my name is Ara.
And the name of our project is DC hydraulic car. The material needed to make it: syringe, plastic tubing, DC motor, cardboard, thermocol, food coloring, pony beads, water, scissor, ruler and a pencil, and a small driver for testing. In this model, when you push the plunger of the syringe, it creates the pressure on the fluid inside, which is transmitted through the tubing to the other syringe. This causes the plunger in the second syringe to move resulting in lifting or lowering on the flat.
Working principle. By using this principle, you can see how hydraulic system in real world application like car work to lift heavy loads with relatively little input force. This simple model effectively demonstrates the basics of hydraulic mechanism can be for an education project.
The Pascal law states that the pressure supplied to any enclosed fluid will be transmitted without a change in magnitude to every point of the fluid and walls to the containers.
Now we will show how it works.
Namaste, my name is Anand.
Namaste, my name is Gaurav.
Namaste, my name is Amru. Our project will be simple walking robot.
Material needed are glue gun, wires, batteries, motors, scissors, and batteries.
Working principle. If we close the switch, it completes the circuit. Electricity flows from the battery to the motor and back to the battery. The chemical energy in the battery converted into electrical energy through the circuit. Electricity flows from the negative terminal of the wire through the wires, through the switch if it is closed, and then into motor.
As the electricity flows through the motor, it causes the motor to spin. This is because the motor converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy which can be worked. When the motor is powered, its shaft rotates so they move in a circular pattern.
The circular motion translates into walking motion because of eccentric attachment. When one leg is lifted, the other pushes against the ground, propelling the robot forward. This design ensures that the robot maintains balance while walking. Now we will show you how it is walked.
Namaste, my name is Hanmadra.
Namaste, my name is Rishti.
Namaste, my name is Umar.
Our project name is Skyline Drive.
The material used are cardboard, glue, thread, motor, speed controller, battery and bottle caps.
DC motor. The motor speed is directly proportional to the voltage applied to it. The PWM symbol effectively varies the voltage, allowing for precise speed control. This setup simulates how real cars will ride control their motions, ensuring a smooth and adjustable ride experiences.
When you switch on the power element, substantially the power element transfers to the connected motor element, providing the necessary power for the rotation of the attached gear motor. When the DC gear motor initiates, the connected car in the ceiling begins to rotate, causing the carnival light to rotate on.
The working principle behind this model relies on controlling the speed of DC. Common method for controlling the motor speed is pulse width modulation (PWM). Thank you. Now I will show how it works.
Our project name is Robot Spider. The materials used are glue, legs, battery, and motor, and switch are used to make robot spider.
Sir, they have done the project really well. All they're very versed with their knowledge. Especially the spider robot is very fantastic. I love the ideas of the students. So the teacher and the students who have taken the efforts. Thank you.
I'm Rajesh Desai, School Siddhi, and robotics and electronics, we could see the efforts put by the students. A lot of permutation combination they have tried, and in a very simple way they have tried to present it. The electronics use of some tools, gadgets, that those were put very nicely, properly, and make it work. The mechanical activities where the spider or the robots were working, those were amazing to see. I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.
Hi, so I'm Madhusudan Sawaiker. I'm basically a physicist by profession. I came to visit this school because my daughter was studying over here, and today they have an exhibition kind of. All kids have put up their projects. Really nice job. I had visited a few other classes, and this was the one I really loved the most. I think these are all 6th grade students. Yes. But they have done a really wonderful job in robotics, building up small things and giving nice explanations. Really good job, and I hope students will keep up and because they have done a really good job. Thank you so much.
This is amazing, really, when you see that young kids have taken the information so seriously and they brought it out well. As a science exhibition, we never expect that in the short time, a school would have supported this much to bring the great values outside and to explain in a short time. It was very amazing. Thank you so much for the school to encourage kids. This kind of a program definitely will build their career at a very big level. Thank you so much.
My name is Ranganath Uzgaonkar.
I am Mrs. Madhuri Uzgaonkar, retired headmistress. I just really my daughter-in-law is studying Jinnathana Chitta, and my daughter-in-law said that some program is there here, and I came here and really so nice program. Small children are really, they are presenting. I really am very much happy. Different rooms I have visited, and there really I'm telling you, the response was excellent response, and the teacher, they have guided them well and they explained well better. And I don't realize, but still there are few. I will visit all those
म्हणजे आमची नात रंगा चिकता आणि ती वेगळे प्रोग्राम पळयलो प्लस सगळं बाकीचे पळयले आनी हे प्रोग्राम सिस्टमॅटीक हे केले प्रिपेरींग जालें आमकां नॉलेजूय बरी मेळटा सायंटिफीक हातून
especially this power water, how to heal ourselves, we don't know, but we learn from these students. Really, I am proud of this staff, these students, these teachers. Really, thank you. God bless them. Keep it up.
The work done here is super, amazing. I appreciate your work, actually your effort, and students